Before setting up the camera, check if all components are included. Use a pencil to position the mounting holes. Make sure correct side faces up. Drill in the screws along with the mounting bracket. Attach the camera onto the mounting bracket. Reposition the camera if it's not in the right angle. Use the hex key to lock the camera. To uninstall the camera, push up the camera to remove the base from the mounting bracket. Remove the rubber cover on the bottom of the camera. Insert a microSD card that is 16 to 128 GB, Class 10 rated and formatted to FAT32. After that, you may need to format the card in Camera menu of the LaView app. If the indicator is not in the correct status, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds to reset the camera.